Prepare the roof deck for installing the Armourvent Multi Plus ventilation. Measure 20 centimetres at each end of the ridge. This minimum distance must be left uncut. Cut a 5 centimetre slot along the ridge, 2.5 centimetres on each side. For centre beam roofs, a 9 centimetre slot should be cut, 4.5 centimetres on each side of the ridge. Once the slot is cut and any overlapping shingles covering the ridge are trimmed and removed, the ridge is ready for vent installation. Roll out and place the IKO Armourvent Multi Plus along the entire length of the slot, also covering the 20 centimetre uncut ridge at both ends. Secure at the lead edge. Pull the vent tight and secure at about 3 meters. To install the end caps, pull apart a pre-cut section of the foam end cap found within the IKO Armourvent Multi Plus roll. Use aiko shingle stick to coat both sides of the moisture barrier membrane, between the foam end cap and the vent underside for a tight seal. Attach the vent in the corners to the roof and nail the Armourvent Multi Plus and the end caps to the roof deck. Drive 2 nails through the vent and foam end cap. The next step is to apply aiko shingle stick between the Armourvent Multi and the Cambridge Express. This sealant should fill any voids between the bottom of the vent and the surface of the shingle. The nail should penetrate the wood roof deck to a depth of at least 1.5 centimetres. In order to cover the ridge and hip rafter, cut sections from rectangular superglass 3-tab shingles. Bend 3 shingles together to prevent any cracks. In extreme cold, you should preheat these shingles. Always start on the side of the prevailing winds and for the hip at the bottom of the roof. Always make sure that the Cambridge Express shingles are sufficiently covered on both sides of the roof so that no nails are left visible. Secure them 40 centimetres from the tab side and 2.5 centimetres from the edge. Your roof has now been protected against all kinds of weather.